This is a 2006 Toyota Tacoma, one owner, 45,000 miles. Yes, 45,000 miles. In like new condition. Not a door ding, not a scratch on this vehicle. Super, super clean. Has the ARE camper shell in the back. Bed liner. Basic truck, manual transmission. It is running, it needs nothing. In pristine condition. Tires are in great shape still. Like I said, not a door ding, not a scratch. In phenomenal condition. One Texas owner. No rust. Gray cloth interior. Basic truck, crank windows, manual transmission, AM FM CD. 45,000 miles. There's a low tire on, it looks like. It has cruise control. So, this is a 2006 Toyota Tacoma regular cab, 45,000 miles, one owner, in absolutely phenomenal condition.